If your home feels dusty, no matter how often you clean, or your allergies seem worse indoors, or your air just doesn't feel as fresh as it should be, there's a good chance the problem is happening where you can't see, inside your air ducts. Your duct system moves air through your entire home, and over time, it can collect dust, debris, allergens, and buildup that keeps circulating through your living space. Most homeowners don't realize that every time your HVAC system runs, it pulls air and everything in it through your ductwork. Dust, pet dander, pollen, and even moisture can build up inside the system over time. And once that buildup is there, it doesn't just sit still. It keeps getting redistributed through your entire home. That's why surface cleaning alone doesn't solve the issue. Here's exactly how we clean air ducts the right way. First, we inspect the system so we understand what's inside your ducts and how your system is laid out. Then we protect your home, covering floors, sealing vents, and creating a controlled cleaning environment. We use professional grade equipment to place the entire duct system under negative pressure. That allows us to safely dislodge and remove dust and debris without spreading it through your home. This is where shortcuts usually happen, and we don't cut corners. We don't rush the process, and we don't just clean what's easy to reach. Our team follows a proven process designed to protect your home and fully address the problem, not just make it look cleaner. And if we don't believe duct cleaning will truly benefit your home, we'll tell you that too. Because our job isn't to sell services, it's to give homeowners clear, honest answers. After a proper air duct cleaning, many homeowners notice less dust, improved airflow, and a cleaner overall feel inside the home. Over time, it can also help reduce the amount of airborne particles circulating through your living space. Results vary based on your home, lifestyle, and system, but the goal is simple: cleaner air and peace of mind. If you're dealing with dust, allergies, or concerns about your indoor air, a free inspection can tell you whether air duct cleaning is the right solution. You can also explore the other videos in this playlist to learn more about how we help homeowners protect their homes. When you're ready, we're here to help.